So the project began with them understanding sort of the core elements of what kindness is and how kindness looks, and then they were sent out into the community to find some examples of that. Well, kindness is a central theme to any community, but particularly a school community. So to have this, I guess, concrete example of displaying acts of kindness really supports what we're doing here and the kind of atmosphere that we're kind of trying to promote. Primarily, I think it's just really important for the pupils to have the opportunity to practically apply the skills of collecting information around such an important central theme. Seeing and hearing those stories about the way in which kindness manifests itself in people's lives is really significant. And I think for the pupils involved, they've had that opportunity to connect with those values and to really hear some fantastic examples. I think as well as a project, there's great value in picking up a theme, thinking about the way that you can record it, you can collect it, and then report it back to a wider audience.
It's a really good opportunity for children to do a little bit of class-based work around kindness and the different strands of kindness. Unpicking that to different levels. So kindness is a word that tends to be used quite regularly, but unpicking the strands of kindness was really important. So there's class-based work involved with that. And then it's an opportunity for children to think about their local community and go out and find those strands of kindness out in the community, and then interview and dig a little bit deeper behind those strands to find the stories that make up that kindness.
Brilliant. And why did you think it was important for your class to kind of engage with this piece of work?
Because one of our school values is be kind, and with everything that's happened in the last 2 years, it's a particularly important value, and something that we have to teach our children a lot about. We have to cover it a lot in many different aspects of the curriculum, and it's something that comes up pretty much on a daily, if not hourly basis, with how we're being kind and running alongside showing respect as well. So for them to see it, what kindness looks like, not just with us saying, got to be kind, got to do these kind of things, but seeing it outside the classroom and acknowledging it and identifying it outside the classroom was really important. Having a chance to talk to other people other than us, although it sounds strange, is something that we have to help our children with a great deal. So being interviewed and the interview process of speaking out loud and thinking about how they're using their voices and the tone of using their voices, that kind of skill set is really important.
The value of running this project at Northcote School has been exploring different acts of kindness. The children have been heading into the community trying to find different acts of kindness that people have received that have helped them through difficult times. They have been speaking to people that they might not have spoken to before. They've also been speaking to people about topics that they haven't thought about speaking about before, and they have been exposed to stories of kindness and helpfulness and inspiration, and it really shows that sense of community and helps them to appreciate how important being part of a community is. After the pandemic, it was quite heavy. The news was quite heavy every day. So looking at these acts of kindness within the community really helped to put a positive spin on it in a way and look at how people came together. And it really proved that people can be there for each other and that you can rely on people in your community.